Okay. Cross your fingers.
You saw at least one potato, right?
At least one potato I saw. One potato, okay. Good for a start.
Big one.
Good for a start. Okay. One more, baby one, okay.
Okay, we got
That
only,
is the baby one, but this is a good size.
Yeah. Okay.
we got only
ಅದು ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
One more small baby one, okay. 2, 3.
so we could have kept one more.
Hey, but the roots are there, man. I think, okay, very good. This is.
Huh?
Half kilo they got it.
Hey, man!
No, we have some more.
Really good.
This is success.
Wow. It's really good.
Call Puna also, call her na.
See? So fresh.
Nice. This is premium organic potato. That's all, huh? Just search. Maybe there's one more hidden somewhere.
Could have come more. See, there are some more.
Vijay will talk like this one. It's okay. We can close our ears. See, one more, small. See, this experience will give us motivation, no?
So, see, when it's turning to yellow, that is the time I can see a big size.
Yeah.
Huh?
So, okay. Good for the next time. Next time experiment. But the soil, what I liked was the root.
Okay.
The roots nicely spread everywhere and held the soil together.
When I saw this big potato,
Okay, so let's see the potatoes in your hands. Wow.
smiling potatoes.
Great.